What is up, A-Team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day. So I'm here to talk more about XRP, just talk about crypto in general, because there is a massive sell-off happening right now in the market. We could obviously anticipate that there was going to be maybe some sell-off here in the market, but it seems like there's actually a pretty good liquidation event going on right now. And a lot of it has to do in regards to the tariffs that were going to come out here today. As this was announced yesterday from the White House, is that Donald Trump was going to actually tariff Canada, Mexico, and China beginning today, February 1st, which is Saturday. And you can see right here, there was about a 25% tariffs on Mexico and Canada, as well as 10% on for duty on that of China. So again, this is, we didn't really know what to expect, but now we're kind of seeing the markets react to this, and the whole market is down. We're talking every single cryptocurrency project is down. I mean, Solana's down 15%, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, XRP's down, a lot of things are down. Dogecoin's down 12%. I mean, we can go down the list of these here. But the one crazy thing here is that it seems like XRP and Ripple is at the top of every single tabloid out there, and everything is negative with XRP. I get that the Bitcoin maxis are extremely intense right now and attacking XRP, and XRP has been facing a lot of criticism and a lot of fear out there circulating the internet because of the Bitcoin maxis, and it just seems like the tabloids now are kind of behind it, right? A lot of these I guess you could say media outlets here in crypto are just putting out crazy articles in regards to negative news for that of XRP. And I think it's actually kind of disappointing, because you got to realize there's a lot of people in XRP. There's a lot of people who believe in XRP. And if you're in crypto, your whole goal here in crypto should be for the entire cryptocurrency community to evolve and be better. Not just one crypto, not just Bitcoin. It should be everyone. And that's one thing I think this week has really told me, is that there are people out here that are just only for Bitcoin or only for their cryptos. And then there's a lot of others that are out here for the entire crypto community. And for me personally, I'm out here for the entire crypto community. I think it's actually a disservice if you're only talking about one crypto, or you're attacking every single other crypto except the one that you're in. I just don't think that's right for crypto. We should want the entire space to be lifted up and to evolve. And yes, there is some negative news out here today because Ripple is unlocking 1 billion XRP tokens. But this is not new news to XRP. We know that XRP is unlocking 1 billion XRP at the beginning of every single month. This is not new news. So it's funny how they came out and they create these articles as if this is like the sell time. This is some crazy news. It's not news. This has been going on for years. And this actually does give a good job here, even though they kind of put some fear mongering out here with this. They do a good job of saying what it is. As you can see right here, when XRP was launched in 2012, Ripple kept 80 billion of the supply out of the circulation, which again is the biggest argument for Bitcoin maxis. But it says gradually selling some units and distributing it into the market. And it said in 2017, the company implemented an escrow system to lock the undistributed 55 billion XRP, with a programmed monthly unlocking. And so that's really what happened here. And as you can see here, just at the end of December going into January, there was another fear mongering type session where everyone was like, hey, they're going to be unlocking 1 billion tokens, and people were getting all freaked out. There's a kind of a sell on the chart, but we had a massive bounce back. And one thing that I want to make it very clear out here is that Ripple has actually been extremely responsible with the amount of tokens that they've locked back up. You can see right here that usually about 20% of them are used for monthly sales and expenses, which means that 80% of the other tokens are actually locked back up into an escrow account. And if you don't believe me, you can actually go and verify these. Here's the unlockings right here out of Ripple number 27. And you can see that there was an unlock today on Ripple 27, and there was definitely an unlock on Ripple number 26 here with the unlockings here, which you can actually see on the screen. Again, you go back to this article here, and we do know that roughly about 80% of these do get put back into an escrow account. And so I just want to make it very clear that these unlockings are going to happen every single month. And if you don't believe me, again, go back here. I'll put these down in my description box below. You can follow these wallets all year long. You can see we have one coming every single month right here out of Ripple 27, and we have one coming out of every single month here coming out of Ripple 26. So this is no new news. So again, if someone's coming out there creating a video on this or talking about it as if it's kind of trying to create some fear, or hey, these big unlocks are happening and XRP is going to get sold off, realize that this has been going on for years. And so this is not new news. And so I wanted to kind of put a rest to this whole unlocking of these tokens and what XRP does with them, because I think that they have actually been pretty responsible with them. And it's actually, again, if you go back and look at the chart of where this is at, and we can go back and actually look at some of this, because if you go back and look, right here was the unlocking right here in December 30th going into January 1st right here. This was actually the unlocking event for January for that of XRP. And look, we went on a massive tear. We went on a massive rally, even with the unlocking. Today, again, unlocking, we've come down. There's been some fear in the markets. So I'm expecting this to probably ride its way out, and we'll have a nice little rally again. But what's crazy about this is that there's so much tabloids out here, so much criticism. XRP may face sell-off if history turns out true. And it's like, okay, so they created this where they say February has been a weak month for that of XRP. Again, we know that February is actually a really good month for crypto, but they're looking at the history of XRP, and they forget that XRP has been literally chopped off at the knees for a really long time. So to sit here and say that like they haven't had this much growth, well, they've also been suppressed by the SEC for a really long time. And so it's just crazy when you go back and look at this, you're comparing these, but they have had positive years. It says right here, there have been 3 years of positive performance where 2016, 19, and 24 had 23.8, a 1.13, and a 17.1 return. But they're saying that history has shown that XRP does not have good returns in February. Again, looking at the whole entire market as a whole, February is the best return in crypto. Period. There's no other time, and a lot of it has to do because there's no FOMC meeting, which is going to derail the markets. And also this year we're in different times. This is the first time where we had a president come in and step into office and actually is pro crypto, actually launched their own meme coin, actually has a pre-sale out right now. And in the World Liberty, and going to be doing that. So it's just a completely different era of crypto right now from all these previous years. We do know that Ripple is going through with the SEC still. We do know that there's an ETF on the horizon, which most likely will happen, which will cause there to be a major catalyst here. We know that the SEC is probably going to no longer pursue Ripple with their case, and it's going to eventually drop off. Like those things are going to actually probably come true this year. And so to say all these things here, that we can hit these all-time lows, these historic trends are going to continue to drop it down, is kind of crazy. Again, another tabloid out here is that Ripple Wells dumped 70 million coins. Okay, there's a lot of other cryptos out here that have dumped, tons of millions of coins and tokens and things like that out there, but you don't see the tabloids made on them. But it's just funny that here with XRP, they kind of did. And then they come out here and they say that John Deaton hints at a crash, and that's the tabloid name right here. So obviously this is going to cause some fear out there. They're like, oh, why is he saying this? And again, what's crazy is it's just a clickbait title for people. And I get that people are saying, hey, everyone kind of clickbaits. But what's crazy is this is the fear that gets created in this space. If you actually listen to what Deaton had to say, he actually comes out here and says that with the ETFs coming out here, with the case actually coming to an end with the SEC, the XRP is actually going to reach up to $7 to $8 before it actually falls off. It's funny it doesn't say that in here. You have to actually read it. When you read this, it kind of creates that fear. He's hinting at a price crash. Obviously, this came out today with the tokens being released, with the tariffs. I just feel like the timing is crazy with some of these tabloids that are coming out here. And again, a lot of these people that are writing these things are against XRP. They're against Ripple. A majority of the people out there that are Bitcoin maxis are against this. A lot of the people that have been around for a long time, like probably CoinGape here and Cointelegraph and all these other places, are pro Bitcoin and less that of XRP. And like I said, these are all over the place. This is just the two that I pulled up here. But it's just funny to me that we don't even realize, a lot of these people don't even realize how resilient XRP is. This actually is a really, really good crypto right now in terms of being resilient. It's actually outperformed Ethereum and Bitcoin in January. It's done really, really well. It's sustained its price really nicely. People that are trying to short it are actually the ones that are kind of getting hurt. I know that we've had a few people on the channel that have actually got a little bit wrecked from it. But, again, I think XRP is going to continue to perform this year. And it's not just XRP that's down, it's the entire market. So let's actually say that versus just being XRP. And I just want to put that out here because a lot of people are stressing. A lot of people that are new to crypto don't really realize how the markets are working and don't really realize that there's a lot of pressure out there where, FUD or fear, uncertainty, and doubt is created amongst communities to make people sell their positions, and it allows it to open the door for other people to swoop in and buy up those positions. And a lot of people that are new to crypto sell their positions based off fear, based off tabloids like this, may have sell-off pressure. Oh, look, we're going to have a massive dump. oh, look, we're going to have an unlocking of these tokens. These are all tabloids. These are all media outlets that are created to make you be scared of your position, sell your position, and then buy at a higher price than where you were. This is a tactic that's been here forever. It's all over. It's whether it's through crypto or whether it's through the stock market, you name it, dude. This is all what it's about. It's a game. And the only way you lose the game is if you sell your positions, especially when we're right in the height of a bull market. You're selling your positions because of tabloids like this. Realize that the people that have actually won in this space are the people that have actually held through the tough times, held through the minor dips, and it continues to rise up and continues to get better. I mean, when in doubt, I always say this, when in doubt, zoom out, look at the map here. You can see the XRP has actually done very, very well, at least here since November 5th. Look at Bitcoin. When in doubt, zoom out. Bitcoin has done very well. Every single cryptocurrency that you are in right now, if you held on to it for the last year, you are doing extremely well. So the goal should be to hold your crypto, not to sell your positions when you hear FUD or you have tabloids out here that are creating fear. This is all just fear mongering. This is all just a ploy to get you to sell your positions. And I just wanted to make a video to tell the new people, just relax, be patient with this, because in the long run, you'll actually be ahead of where you are right now. So with all that, let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And with all that said, we're out. Peace out, everyone.